Alright, so what we have here is called an HDPE fitting. You can see the side view right over here. So it's like a tire, but as you can see there are multiple lines. So I'll explain what is the function of it. However, it came right from Turkey. The company is Tega. Tega deals in all types of fittings and pipes. So what makes this fitting special? This is called an electrofusion fitting. The reason is we have two terminals over here that can be made connected to the voltage supply, and it will be used as a heating purpose to melt the inside of this fitting. Why do you want to melt that? Let's see. So what happens is, as you can see, there are two sides. If you have to place one end of a pipe over half inch of till here, and the other end of a pipe is connected here, so the fitting purpose is to connect both of the HDPE pipes. So how does it connect? Well, the moment you enter the pipes, you have to apply voltage supply over these two terminals, and boom, the next thing you see is the inner linings over here start melting, and it gets mixed with the pipes, and that's how two of the pipes are connected with the HDPE fitting. So that's how it is. I hope you like it. Thank you.